I promise that the packaging of this product does not do it any justice. This is the NP-FZ100 from Neewer. Let's go ahead and jump in and let me show you why these batteries are perfect for your camera. I got these directly from Amazon for $79.99 Canadian plus tax. The links are in the description down below, so if you are interested in purchasing, please check it out. Inside the package is a dual charger, 2 batteries, and a micro USB cable, making this the perfect product for all-day shooting. After you ignore the cheap packaging that it comes with, it looks like it came from the dollar store. The product is actually pretty decent. And don't forget that dual charger that it comes with. Again, looks pretty cheap, but it actually functions perfectly with the ability of charging 2 batteries at once. And it's pretty small, so you can just carry it around in your camera bag. You can even charge it with a power bank. But get this, it actually has a micro USB slot as well as a USB-C slot. They both charge in the same output, but you have 2 options to choose which cable you'd like to use. They both come in at 2280 milliamps with 7.2 voltage. The Neewer battery comes in at 81 grams while the Sony one comes in at 82.6. The Neewer dual charger will actually charge both Sony batteries and Neewer batteries, so you can just carry it around with you. Now the Sony has a single output of 8.4 volts and 1.6 amps, while the Neewer has a dual output with 8.4 volts, 2.1 amps, but for the first slot you're only getting 700 milliamps, the second slot you're getting 500 milliamps. So in theory, if you're charging one battery, you're probably better off going with the Sony because it offers 1.6 amps. Plugging in the charger, you'll be greeted by a beautiful display. Obviously it's not flashing as you see over here, we'll see a better shot in the next one, but you can just plug it in, plug in both batteries and get an indicator of how full the batteries are. And just like that, for the price of less than half of one original Sony battery, you can get 2 plus the charger with the ability to use a USB-C cable or a micro USB. So I don't really know about you, but I can tell you one thing, I know which option I'm going to go for.